All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, dear parents. Uh, I'm just catching up my breath. Okay. Yeah. Just give me a sec. Okay. Yes. We are in a Maidstone Leisure Center. This is the place where I normally go to the gym. Yeah, and early in the morning, um, about almost 3 times in a week. Yeah. Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss a little bit about the importance of exercise for parents like us. Okay. As parents, we all know that we are quite occupied with all the things, with all the activities with our children. You have to do the errands, you pick them up, you take them to school, you go to the grocery, you cook. Yes, there's loads and loads of things that we are doing in one day. But it's a good practice also that as parents to have a bit of a routine where you have the habit of having at least exercise yourself. For me, I do a little bit of exercise, not for not to have a bigger muscle or something like that. It's just some fancy way of seeing it, but I'm not in the competition anyway. So most of the time I do my exercises just for the cardio. It's for the heart. As we get older, we know that we need a lot of cardio. We need a little bit of probably walking. Walking is a good exercise. Also running is one of the best exercise I know. And this place is somewhat very nice, very nice to have a personal exercise. Sometimes if you are a parent who is occupied with all your child's activities, maybe I would suggest that you take some time to have some exercise. I knew that there's a quite a few research out there, and I have seen some research that 1 hour of exercise will add an additional 3 hours, 3 hours in your life, which is a good thing. Yeah, try to have some exercise. It's not only for you as a parent, but also for the future of your kids, because you will be the one who is going to take care of them, and you are looking after them, and at the same time you are also looking at the future of your children, because you are maintaining your health, and you maintain this kind of discipline with your life. Okay, I think this, if you like this video, I would like to request if you have a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.